Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are about to cook because I am a bit elated and hungry. So we are gonna vegan up the most ghetto and bougie at the same time vegan recipe you have ever freaking heard of. So let's just get right to it. So let me show y'all what we got. I done covered the pan in some oil, like just some regular vegetable oil, nothing fancy out here, you know what I'm saying? We just vegetable oil. Now I'm gonna take these peppers. I have half a pepper of the red, yellow, and green left because I used the other half last night, but I'm just gonna slice them up. Okay, so I got the peppers cooking in the oil. I got the stove on medium heat, like medium in between 5 and 6. You can cut your peppers a little smaller than this, but I like my peppers like this, you know what I'm saying? When it's kind of Mexican-y, gives me a nice little Mexican vibe. So I got the water going on the back stove, like if you can avoid the microwave, try to avoid the microwave. Like nobody needs the extra radiation, so I'm gonna put my block of noodles in this boiling water now, and I just turned this water on while I was cutting up the peppers, so it could go ahead and be boiling. Got the noodles going. Now I'm going to get the broccoli. I'm gonna dice up the broccoli and go ahead and add it in here. And I might add some onion. I don't know. I haven't decided. You gotta make sure to keep the peppers moving because if the oil is really hot, they're gonna brown fast. So make sure you keep them moving. And the noodles only need about 3 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn them down just a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and cut up this broccoli. And I'm gonna go ahead and add this now. Okay, so for seasoning, I'm gonna do onion powder since I'm not adding any real onion. Some peppers, some Himalayan pink salt, and this garlic and herb salt and seasoning. The noodles and I added them to the pot or the skillet. And I'm gonna see if I can find some soy sauce because that will really just set this off, but I don't know if we got any. We do have some soy sauce, so I'm gonna add a few drops of soy sauce, not too much because soy sauce can really take it too far if you add too much, but I'm just gonna add a little bit of it. Now once you add the noodles, you want to make sure that you go ahead and turn the stove down. I turned mine to 3, and you also want to make sure you add a little bit of the water that was in the noodles too, so that it doesn't like stick to the pan or like start sticking together. But if you want this to be like a little more spicy, you can add some red curry paste, but I want mine to be a little more savory, so I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk and some curry powder. This is the curry powder that I like to use. It's Jamaican style, and I know this might seem like a weird mix of flavors, and it probably is. Like I'm just in here BSing at this point, but I just feel like this is gonna be really good, and I believe in my cooking skills. So I'm about to add the coconut milk and the curry powder. I just added a little splash of the coconut milk, like not really a lot at all, just a little splash, and now I'm gonna add the curry powder. Ham with the curry powder, but that's okay because I really love curry. So yeah, I'm just going to stir this. I'm just gonna stir this all up, and I'm gonna turn the eye back up. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we all done here, ready to take it out. It's looking so good. It's looking colorful. It's looking creamy. Like, yes, like I'm ready to eat this right now. So all I did after I added the coconut milk and the curry, and I kind of went ham with the curry because I like curry, like I said. I tasted it and it needed some pepper, so I added a good amount of pepper, and I also added some cayenne pepper because I felt like it needed a little bit of a kick. If you guys are making this on your own, I will say you probably don't need to cook the noodles as long as I did. Like, I probably let the noodles cook in the boiling water for about 5 minutes. I say 2 minutes is fine. Just let the block break apart and then transfer the noodles to the skillet because I would like if the noodles weren't as soft as they are, but I mean, it's cool. Like, it still tastes good. So I'm about to put this in a bowl and we about to get our grub on. I got one thing. I got to add some spinach. Go ahead, throw the seasoning pack away because it's not vegan. Clean up your mess because nobody likes a messy bitch. You know what I'm saying? Put your vegetables back in the refrigerator And yeah, so while you're doing that, I cut the stove off, but I'm letting the spinach just kind of cook in there off of the heat of the other ingredients. You know, spinach be swelling up, and I don't want it to like get too shriveled. I just want it to get cooked enough, and I think the heat of the other ingredients will do that. This pan been sliding this whole video, like, you see that? That's crazy. But yeah, I'm about to clean up while I let this do its thing. Alright, so we are all cleaned up. I'm getting my noodles so I can take them downstairs to the comfort of my room so I can eat in peace. We shall descend to my room. Got my wine glass. Alright, I'm to my desk. I got a tarot card reading that I'm about to watch. Got us a little winey wine, just a little bit, because we got shit to do later. But let's go ahead and take it. Gotta get like some of everything. Look at all these colors, bruh. This looks healthy as hell. Hot. This is him. This is hitting. It's hitting. It's hitting. That cayenne pepper really made it spicy, so. But I love it. This is great. Thumbnail. Thumbnail, maybe. Put that there. Yeah, so this is a hit for me personally. If you guys try this or you try to make this or whatever, please tag me, take a picture on Instagram. I'll put all of my social media on the screen somewhere right now. But yeah, if you guys want more vegan cooking videos or weight videos, any type of food related videos, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below what you want to know, like about my vegan lifestyle, about food, like any questions, etc, etc, etc. And if you guys want to start eating more vegan foods but you're not really sure where to start, I do have a vegan meal plan, so I will link that in the description box below. It's 16 different meals. You got breakfast meals, snacks, lunch, dinners, and my detox tea recipe, like to the specifics. So I will link that in the description box as well. But that's pretty much all for this video. Thank you guys for sticking around, even though I look a hot mess, but we're not going to talk about that. I love you guys so much, and remember, in order to live your life to its fullest, you must live fearlessly. Bye guys.